Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to create QR codes here in Google Sheet. So first, you want to go to the top and then click on extensions, then click on add-ons, click on get add-ons. Then over here at the search bar, you want to search for QR code generator. And then you want to install this specific extension. And after you've installed it, you will just be directed to connect your Google account. And after you're done with it, just click on extensions again, then click on the extension, then click on open. Then after that, you just want to go ahead and choose the option on how you want to save the QR code. And after that, you're going to choose the data range that you want to turn into QR codes. And then just click on generate over here. Then just wait for it for a few moments. And after that, if I go ahead and click on open document here, it will redirect me to Google Docs, and here are the QR codes. So that's it. Thanks for watching.